Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing how you can watch NBA games on your Samsung or Android smart TV. Let's get started. So essentially, the most common method of watching the NBA, especially live, is by downloading the NBA League Pass. In order to do so, you would simply need a smart TV. You would need to have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and that is all you need. And to install this onto your TV, you first have to go to your smart TV's app store. Once you're there, simply type into the search bar NBA League Pass. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on install, and it should install right there. And once you have that, go ahead and type in your username and password. If you do not have an account yet, you can easily create one on the official NBA website. Now keep in mind the NBA League Pass, it does come at a cost, and it most commonly is you can get the standard package for $16.99, or you can buy the NBA League Pass Premium for $24.99. Again, there is a cost for this feature. Now, of course, once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and screen into your favorite NBA games, and you can also watch it live. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.